Aime Handheld Arc Welder 220V ±15%. Semi-automatic smart electric welding machine with Toolbox, European plug, intelligent identification and automatic matching, compact design for home use. Gray and green. Input current 21A. Output current 20-120A. Rated input power 4.1 kW. Electrode Phi 1.6 Phi 3.2. Efficiency 85%. All product accessories. 1. Arc welding machine. 1. 6M2 crocodile clip 1.5M/59 in. 3. 1.5 square meters of power line. For steel brus. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.